Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. Happy Sunday wherever you are around the world. I know some of you are in some parts of the world where it's already Monday, so whatever day it might be, I hope you have a great rest of your day and are enjoying it as the weather is getting nicer around the world as well. But looking at the price of Chiliz right now, you guys can tell by the title that we're going to be talking about Chiliz. What's happening with the price of Chiliz? What are some next price targets we should be looking at? That's what we're going to briefly look into. If you like these kind of videos, smash that like button, hit that red subscribe button, and let's get right into it. Looking at the price of Chiliz right now, currently trading at 12.4 cents, up 1% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, also up about 1% in Ethereum and Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. But now if we're focusing more towards the market valuation for Chiliz, currently sitting at $660.5 million. So without a doubt, we have seen Chiliz retrace a lot compared to where it was around the World Cup, and a lot of people sold around then after the World Cup kind of cooled off. Chili's hype kind of died down, but now we're going to discuss what the next price targets are for Chiliz, and the 24-hour trading volume is currently sitting at $42.2 million. But now let's get right into the charts, see what's happening and what is something we should be looking forward to right now. So before I do get into it, as you guys all know, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So let's just go in the shorter time frame and see what has been happening for the price of Chiliz over the past few months. So let's look at it since we broke below this level when majority of the altcoins were in consolidation phase, which was since May, so around here. So you guys can see the price literally consolidated. We had a breakout towards the upside, obviously the hype of the World Cup. We saw Chiliz really make a massive move towards the upside, saw it even go up into the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level. But look at what happened. 4 different times, 1, 2, 3, 4, all 4 different times we saw Chiliz never really hold above this level of resistance. What does that show us? This 23.14 level of resistance is extremely important, and we never saw the price of Chiliz retest the highs prior to this consolidation phase, even in the World Cup. And we can see that Chiliz came down all the way to that 9.43 cents to mark around the beginning of the year, but we did see it go all the way up to 18 cents. So if you picked up some Chiliz around, let's say, the beginning of the year, you would have seen a price gain of about 85%. So Chiliz did react to the market momentum. So if there's going to be some comments coming in here that are going to say that Chiliz did not react and has not even shown the overall correlation with the entire market, I'm just going to show you guys this so you guys know that yes, it did. But since then, obviously, we have seen the price of Bitcoin. If you are a follower on my channel, Bitcoin has been in a downwards trend, seeing a cool off. But with that being said, Bitcoin is still in an upwards channel. But we need to hold this $22,000 level as support. If we don't, things could look more bearish in the immediate short term for the entire space. So now comes the question, what are some next price targets we should be looking at for Chiliz? So right now, you guys can see we are being supported by this level of support, which has been built up during the consolidation phase before we broke out during the World Cup. But now you guys can see this is playing as a level of support. If we lose that support, we could see Chiliz go down to the yearly lows. Yes, that's definitely a possibility right now. And obviously no one wants to hear this, but this is why, number one, profit taking is extremely important. Go watch my Chiliz update previously. Every single video I've told you guys to take profits, because if you don't take profits, guys, you're going to be burnt out. No one really knows where the price is headed. No one can guess that. But if you are sitting at profits, that's what is right in front of you. So lock in profits and either buy that coin back when it retraces or buy other coins that you have done your due diligence on. So right now, this is what the current scenario is looking like for CHZ, but that does not mean that Chiliz is not going to be one of the good coins to have in portfolio, because the reason being, Chiliz has a working product. It's not just a coin that people are just buying on the hype. In fact, it has a very unique approach to get fans to engage, and being soccer the biggest sport in the world, that's a massive plus point. So Chiliz is definitely something I personally look at myself. but obviously nothing crazy, not crazy amounts. And you should never be putting your money into one single coin. I've always said this and I'll say it again. Always diversified, have a percentage of small cap coins, large cap coins. So it kind of keeps a balance, and mid cap obviously, and keeps a balance in your portfolio. But right now, like I said, we need to hold this support. If it drops below it, then we could see yearly lows for the price of Chiliz. But that is it for today's update. Let me know if you want to see more Chiliz updates on a continuous basis. And yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.